Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about my VENO insulated, reusable grocery bag.
I mean, there's so many features about this bag that I love. First of all, it's really durable, heavy duty. It's got a really large size. You can see it stands upright, so on its own in the trunk of my car, but it's collapsible and it has a really sturdy zipper. The insulation in it is amazing. It's a triple layer thermal insulation fabric, so it keeps your food warm or cool and always fresh. And so it's really great for frozen groceries, for produce, even hot items. And it's also got a really large capacity, so it's spacious enough to fit a large amount of grocery items when you're shopping. And it's heavy duty and durable. It's made from a high quality type material. It's got this triple layered, cross stitched, reinforced handles. So it's really well made, and I've been so impressed.
And that's my point of view.